Alright, so I'm still walking around in the market and I'm capturing the sights and sounds of the Charles Garden Market in Montego Bay, and I'm excited to come across to my friend, Bones. Bones is a buddy of mine. I normally come here to get my dandelion to make dandelion tea and my Bissy. So Bones, how are you, my friend? Good, I'm good, darling. Alright, so I want you to tell me about, you have a stall here. I want you to tell me a little about what you have, some of the products that you have here in the market.
Over here we have a wide variety of herbs. On the shelf over there we have root tonic, molasses, and meringue seeds.
Alright, so this is my favorite stuff, the root stuff. So tell me, tell me about that now. Alright, so what is the first bottle? What is that?
This is molasses. It's made from sugar cane.
Alright, so these bottles really are just, these are different products in them. We just use the bottles to bottle them first.
Right, and you have roots. It's called the root tonic. It's made from all Jamaican root. I'll give you the ingredients of all that is in this, and also show you too the ingredients that is made in that honey. Over here we have bundle roots.
You have?
Bundle roots. These are some of the items that is in the tonic.
Okay.
Right here we have, this is called raw moon.
Raw moon.
Raw moon. You know this is, they're all in the tonic.
Yeah.
And here we have the strong back.
Okay.
Sarsaparilla. Cheney root. We also have the raw moon bark, the nerve whisk, and we have blood whisk also. We have.
I'm curious, Bones. Where do we find all of this stuff here?
Mostly in the forest. In the forest.
So you have somebody who supplies it to you, right?
Yes, because if you notice, I have a wide variety of things and I can't be around all these locations, so I have to have other people supplying me with all these items to keep the business going. In my hand we have cinnamon leaf. Over there I show you the cinnamon powder, but this is the leaf. In Jamaica we all find everything useful here. We try not to waste any of the items that we have. We try to use them up in different ways.
Okay.
It is same useful as the powder.
Okay.
Here we have the ginseng bush. This is called duppy gun.
Ginseng?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know we have it in Jamaica. I thought it was from the Middle East.
It is locally grown.
All right.
This is the ginseng fruit. This is what the Magnum tonic wine is made from. And this is the ginseng fruit right here. So you know we combine them together with other herbs.
Okay, nice.
And you know how to make the ginseng tonic. Over here we have the rosemary.
What's that, darling?
Oh, this is parsley.
Parsley, okay.
Yeah, but you know parsley, we use it as a vegetable, but we also use it to make tea and so on. It's very useful, and if you're doing a detox and so on, you should use this. We have the rosemary right here. It's like an all-purpose antibiotic. It's good for everything. Some people use it as a spice also to do their rosemary chicken and the rice and peas. Some people use it to smoke. Some people use it as incense. It does a wide variety of stuff.
Okay.
The rosemary.
All right,
it
good.
also lowers the cancer cells. If you know of anyone has cancer, and it's good for the brain also. It's good for the skin tone. It's good for the skin. It's so useful.
All right, good. And I see I noticed one though at least, so I'm not too bad. I know my readers will be so disappointed if I was not able to identify one. I identify one, and this is Cersei. I almost forgot the name. Cersei. All right, good. that's Cersei, and I know Cersei is bitter. My grandmother gave it to me, and I know that's good for cleansing, right?
Right, it cleanses the blood. It's one of our best cleanser that cleanses the blood, and good to make tea, or you could also use it if you have any rash on the skin. You could use it externally by using it to bathe and so on. Over here we have Bissy. Bissy, also called the coconut. It's good for any poison, any toxin in the body. You could use this to make a cup of tea. Or if you are toning poison, like you eat anything in can or certain kind of food or fish or so on, then you could have a cup of Bissy and it get rid of the toxin in the body.
So it's a great, it would be grated. And this is just for the benefit of my readers and listeners. This is actually one of my favorite products I come here to get from Bones every now and then. So it's actually dried and grated, and then we use that solution, so to speak, to make the tea.
Right here we have black mint, otherwise called spearmint. We use it to make tea. This is what the spearmint chewing gums and the spearmint toothpaste and whatever is made from spearmint. This is the spearmint herb that they are made from.
All right, wonderful. Is there any what final one or two you want to capture, and then I want to go back to those seeds up there, but is there anything else you want to capture that is significant here, you think? You have a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not sure we'll be able to go through all of them.
This is called dog blood. It's an infection bush, otherwise called timmy. Any infection in the body, you could use this to make a cup of tea also.
What's the name of it?
Dog blood.
Dog blood.
Or timmy.
Timmy, okay.
Or pitney muma bush.
Pitney muma bush, alright. Alright, so somebody will recognize one of those names, I'm sure.
Yes, it blooms a very red substance.
Okay.
When it is ripe.
Alright. You know, before I forget, Bones, I want to ask you, you seem to know a lot about these herbs, man. Where did you get all of this knowledge?
I read and educate myself.
Okay.
Because the reason why about 6 years ago I didn't know much about these herbs, and my brother-in-law was diagnosed with cancer, and when he was on the chemo, and one of my friends said to me, why you all didn't try herbs? And I said, herbs? I don't know much about it. And he said, yes man, you could do some herbs for him. And it's like he was already on the chemo and going to several doctors and hospitals. And sometimes when he's on the medication, I like pep in and give him a little, and I watch him make great changes. And that's when I reconsider that herb is really the healing of the nation. And that's when I start doing herbs more and more. So I try to educate myself through herbs and educate others also.
Alright, very good. Alright, so we have a lot more bush here, but we're gonna a lot more herbs. Not bush, but herbs, right? Alright, and then I see something familiar to me, those bottles. What are
over here we have the meringue seeds. We have the meringue seed. It's in a shell like a peanut or a pistachio nuts.
Okay.
In it we have the kernel, which is called the nut. Take from the shell like this with a knife or your finger. It's very soft, not too hard. This is what the kernels look like.
Alright.
You could throw this up, take it like a pill, but if you throw it, absorbs through the bloodstream much easier, so it works much faster.
Alright.
So you could throw. It also helps you to flush easily, because when you eat this, it has 3 different flavors: sour, sweet, and also bitter. So therefore you could have this with a bottle of water.
Okay.
Alright?
Wonderful.
And it's very useful. It's like an African antibiotic.
Wonderful. Alright, we'll fix that. I'll help you fix that. What about, what's down there?
That's flaxseed.
Okay.
Otherwise called linseed. That's where you get your omega 3 from.
Is that made, is that the Jamaican
green.
product?
Yeah, it's flaxseed. Linseed.
Okay.
Over here we have one of our cultural seed. We call this anata or nata. Our great grandmother or grandpa used to use as coloring when they're doing our coconut rundown and so on. But you're gonna come down.
That's your son?
No.
The security?
My grandnephew.
Grandnephew? What are you talking about? Alright, say pick up. Alright, good.
Okay, so we use this as a food coloring like curry.
Okay.
And as a spice also.
Grown in Jamaica as well?
Yes, man. It's locally grown. It is called nata.
Okay.
Nata.
Alright, my friend. Okay, I think we have covered most. We won't be able to cover everything. I think you have too much. You're selling traditional vegetables and stuff, but you also have a lot of herbs. And that's why I want to pick you up. I don't know you're the herb lady. I know you are the market lady, but you seem to know everything about everything.
Yes, because
All right.
I have to know what I want to know.
Okay. All right, so
my best.
my favorite question, what makes Jamaica special to you, my friend?
Mostly Jamaica is special to me because this is my country. I was born here and I don't think no other country is better than my country because of the culture and the people and the food and the herbs that we have locally grown here. So this is my country and it is the best country in the whole wide world.
Perfect. All right, my friend Boone. So, man, it's such a pleasure talking to you. I want to know if there's anybody who want to get in touch with you to learn more about what you do or to get any of your products. How do they contact you?
They could contact me at 1-876-446-3268. Bones, otherwise called Sabrina Sings.
Sabrina, straight from the heart of the market. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.